Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we are learning ayah number 140 of Surah Al-An'am and onwards. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قد خسر الذين قتلوا أولادهم سفها بغير علم قد قاف is heavy for fatha upon jaws attached with dal will get sifa of qalqala and dal is light قد قد خ is heavy for fatha upon jaw C for kasra give e sound ral ra is heavy for fatha upon jaws attached with lam will get sifa of tawassut la for fatha upon jaws the sound is short the gives up zabain zal make it two counts long na for fatha upon jaws the sound is short qaf is heavy for fatha upon jaws ta for fatha upon jaws the sound is very sharp the sound is short and sharp and yes lu for this is mad munfasil jais make it four counts long Ow, Hamza is sharp of a top when jaws attach it. Wow. When you're attaching with wow, you're making it soft because this is wow lean. Ow, la, two counts long. Da, for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. For the circle ellipse attached with me, we will get sifa of tawassut and hukmuhu idhar. S, for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. F, give hamsin fa for fatha open jaws. And this is iqlab. So you're changing the sound of noon into meme. And you're keeping the sound in your nose too. There is kunna. B, focus give E sound. Goin is heavy. And this is jailin. So when you're attaching fatha with ya, you're making it soft. Ri, focus give E sound. And ra is light because there is kasra on it. Ril, ain from your throat. Focus give E sound. Attach it lam. Lam will get sifa of tawassut. Mew. Idgham with gunna, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Mew. Wa. For fatha when you just the sound is short. How. Ha. From middle part of your throat with hams. Ra. For fatha when you just the ra is heavy because there is fatha on it. Ra, mu for the circle lips, make it two counts long. Ma, two counts long. Ra is heavy for fatha upon your jaws, the sound is short. Z for fatha upon your jaws, the sound is short. Qaf is heavy for fatha upon your jaws, the sound is short. Hu for the circle lips, the sound is short. Mullah, mullah. Keep meme light, but lafz jalala will be heavy because there is the ma before it. Mullah, Allah. Hoof. For the ma circle ellipse attach it fa. As you will touch fa, your lips should be in a straight position. Fa will get fa prokhawa and hums. Hoof. T. For kasra give e sound. The ta is sharp. Ra. Mad. Muttasil wajib. Make it four counts long. And hamza is sharp. And the hukmuhu idhar. The ruling is idhar. And sifa is tawassut. Ain from your throat, for fatha open jaws. Lallah. Because of this waqf, you are giving temporary sukun here. Because of this temporary sukun, you are turning this two counts longer into four. This is madarat li sukun, and lafz jalala will be heavy because there is fatha before it. على الله قد قاف is heavy for fatha upon jaws attached. Dal, keep dal light and qaf heavy. Wal is heavy for fatha upon jaws attached. Lam will get support tawassut. Lu for the circle lips, make it two counts long. Wa makhraj of circle in your lips. Fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Ma two counts long. Ka two counts long. Nu for the circle lips, make it two counts long. Mu for the circle lips attached. Ha will get sifa of Rakhawa, and it should be from your throat, last part of your throat. Ta, very sharp sound. Deen, Because of this work, we are giving temporary sukoon here. This temporary sukoon has turned this 2 counts long vowel into 4. This is madarat lisukun. قد خسر الذين قتلوا أولادهم سفها بغير علم وحرموا ما رزقهم الله افتراء على الله قد ضلوا وما كانوا مهتدين. ومخرج الواو circling your lips for top and just the sound is short. Who for the ma circle lips the sound is short. Well مخرج الواو circling your lips for top and just attach with lam will get sip up توسط لا ففتح open just the sound is short. The mad munfasil jais make it 4 counts long. And hamza is sharp and there is ikhfa. This ikhfa is light, so keep your tongue straight and you are keeping the sound in your nose and you are making your mouth ready to say sheen. Sha for the sound is short. Very sharp sound for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Jan for fatha open jaws, attach it noon will get sifa up kunna. So kunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Na 2 counts long. Tim idgham with gunna, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Ma for fatha open jaws, attach it ain. Ain will get sifa up the wasut and ain should be middle part of your throat. Oru for the ma circle lips, make it 2 counts long. Sha 2 counts long. Tium idgham with gunna, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Wa makhraj of waw circle in your lips for fatha open jaws. Ghain is heavy. And this is yailin, so make it soft when you are attaching fatha with ya. Ghai. Ra is heavy because there is fatha on it. Ma for fatha open jaws attach it. Ain will get sifa of tawassut and ain should be from the middle part of your throat. Ma ra is heavy for the circle lips, make it 2 counts long. Sha 2 counts long. Tium idgham with gunna, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. One makhraj of waw circling your lips and then attach it. Noon will get sip of gunna. This gunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. One for fatha open jaws, attach it. Kha will get sifa of rakhawa and kha is heavy. Nakh la for fatha open jaws and beside it is heavy. It is حروف مستعلية ولكن it is منفتحة too. So make sure you are giving انفتاح on in خ نخ لا for fatha open jaws. The sound is short. Was for fatha open jaws, the sound is short and attached with za. Za will get sifa of رخاوة and za has safir. Zar for fatha upon jaws and attach with ra. Ra will be heavy because there is fatha before it. Zar ain from your throat for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Mukh for the circle lips attach with kha. Kha is munfatiha letter. It is musta'aliya. You are making it heavy. And there is rakhawa too. Mukh ta sharp sound for fatha upon jaws. Li for kasra give e sound. Fan this is the ruling is izhar and sifa is tawassut. U for the circle lips, the sound is short. Ku for the circle lips, the sound is short. Lu for the circle lips, the sound is short. Hu for the circle lips and make it 2 counts long. Mad sila sughra. Who was for fatha open jaws attached with za. Za will get sifa of rakhawa and it has safir. And it is light. Was zai. This is yailin, so when you are attaching fatha with ya, you are making it soft. Zai two for the circle lips, make it 2 counts long. Na fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Waru for makhraj of waw circle lips, attach with ra. Ra will be heavy because there is dhamma on it. Warum and Ra will be heavy, and you will attach it with Meme, and Meme will get sifa gunna. This gunna is akmal, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Rum ma, then it is 2 counts long. Na for fatha open your jaws, the sound is short. Mu for the ma circle lips, the sound is short. Ta sharp sound for fatha open your jaws. Sha 2 counts long. B for kasra keep E sound. How idgham with gunna, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Wa for makhraj of pause, the circle lips, the sound is short. Ghain, ghain is heavy for fatha open jaws and مستعلية ولكن منفتحة. غي yeah, this ya is lean, so make it soft when you are attaching this fatha with ya. وغي ra is heavy for fatha upon jaws, the sound is short. Mu for the circle lips, the sound is short. Ta very sharp sound. Sha 2 counts long. B because I give e sound attached with ha will get sifa of the wasut because sifa of rakhawa because it is with sukoon now because of the waqf. Because of the waqf, we are giving temporary sukoon here, and it is bringing in rakhawa on her, and that's it. Mutashabih. Ku for the circle ellipse, the sound is short. Lu for the circle ellipse, make it 2 counts long. Mia focus give e sound and then attach with ikhfa. This ikhfa is light, so keep your tongue straight and you are keeping the mouth ready to say tha. Mia tha for fatha open jaws. Ra ma tha ma for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Ri for kasra give e sound, the sound is short. He mad munfasil jazz, make it 4 counts long. E for kasra give e sound. The mad munfasil jazz, make it 2 counts long, 4 counts long. As for fatha open jaws attached with sas, I will get sifa raqawa. As ma is light for fatha open jaws. Ra is heavy for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Wa makhraj of circling your lips, the sound is short. 2 counts long. Two for the ma circle lip, make it 2 counts long. Ha from your throat with hums for fatha open jaws attached with cough. Cough will get sifa of shidda first, the first cough. There are 2 coughs here. One cough is attached with ha, that will get sifaf shidda, and the other cough will stay heavy and the fatha will be short. Ha qa ha qa for the ma circle lips. Who for the ma circle lips, make it 2 counts long. Yow, this wow is lean, so you are making soft when you are attaching fatha with ya. Wow. Yow, ma for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Ha from your throat with hums for fatha open jaws. Sa, make it 2 counts long, make it make sod heavy. D for kasra give e sound attached with ha will get sifa of raqawa. D wa makhraj of four circle in your lips for fatha open jaws. La 2 counts long. Tus for the ma circle in lips attached with sin will get sifa of Rakhawa, it has speed and it is light. Tusri, Ra is light because there is custom on it. Eri, Foon, for the ma circle lips and make it Tusrifu. Make it only 2 counts long. Wala tusrifu. Okay, I can explain why it is 2 counts long here, even though you can see madda here, because we are not considering hamza right now because we are giving waqf. So if we are giving waqf, we don't consider anything coming up. So we take this long vowel as is. So it will be 2 counts long when we will stop. But if we are joining the qira'ah, then we will make it 4 counts long because we can see hamza after that. So right now we are giving waqf, so it is two counts long only. وَلَا تُسْرِفُوا. In Hamza is very sharp because I give E sound attached. Noon will get sifa of kunna. This kunna is akmal. So keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Na for fatha when just the sound is short. Who for the circle lips make it two counts long. La two counts long. You for the circle lips the sound is short. Hib for kasra give E sound attached. Ba will get sifa of sharpness. Hib will for the circle lips attached with lam will get sifa of tawassut and hukmuhu dhahar. Mus for the circle lips attached with sin will get sifa of tawassut, sifa of raqawa. Musrifin. Ra will be light because there is kasra on it. Musrifin. ومخرج of circle in your lips for top and just me for kasra give you sound the sound short nal and noon is light for top and just attach it lam gets it of the wasat nal and I'm the share for top and just the sound is short but for top and just attach it noon gets it of uh sifa of the wasat and hukmu is har two counts long. Me, focus I give E sound, the sound short. Have middle part of your throat for fatha open just. Mu, for the ma circle lip, make it two counts long. La, for fatha open just, the sound short. Hamula, down. Idgham with guna, so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Wa, makhraj of our circling your lips for fatha open just. Far. Fa with hums for what open just attached to raw. Raw will get heavy sound because there is fatha before it. For sha, make it a count long. Ku for the muscle lips, the sound is short. Lu two counts long. Kulu mimma. Focus give you sound attached with mim gets a power kunna. This kunna is akmal. So keep the sound in your nose for a longer time. Meow. Mimma. Ra is heavy for fatha open jaws. Za for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Qaf is heavy for fatha open jaws, the sound is short. Ku for the ma circle lips, the sound is short. Mullah. Lafz jalala will be heavy because there is tamma before it, but we are not making meme heavy. Mullah, la, two counts long. Who for the ma circle lips, the sound is short. Uwa, makhraj of cow is circling your lips for top and jaws, the sound is short. La, two counts long. Ta, ta is sharp for top and jaws, the sound is short. Ta, B, focus give E sound. Ru, for the ma circle lips, make it two counts long. Khu, is heavy for the ma circle lips, the sound is short. Tu, who to ta is short too and for dhamma circular lips and this is heavy. Tu ta is the most heaviest letter in Quran. Khu tu wa two counts long. Tish because I give e sound attached to sheen. Sheen will get sifa of raqawa. Tish shay two counts long. Ya is lean, so make it soft when you are attaching fatha with ya. Shay ta two counts long. But because of this vak, we are giving temporary sukun here. This temporary sukun has turned this two counts long vowel into four. This is madarid. Let's sukun. ومن الأنعام حمولة وفرشا كلوا مما رزقكم الله ولا تتبعوا خطوات الشيطان إنه لكم عدو مبين. In Hamza is sharp for kasra ki bigi sound attached with noon. Noon will get sifa kunna. This kunna is akmal. Na for fatha punja the sound is short. Who for dhamma circle ellipse make it two count long. La short. Kum for dhamma circle ellipse attached with me. We will get sifa of the wasat. A ain from your middle part of your throat. Who a do. Da for dhamma circle ellipse attached with wow wow. We'll get sifa of never and رخاوة دوم إدغام with غنى so keep the sound in your nose for a longer time mu bean. Because of this work it has changed this two counts long vowel into four. This is madarat lisakun. ومن الأنعام حمولة وفرشا كلوا مما رزقكم الله ولا تتبعوا خطوات الشيطان إنه لكم عدو مبين. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.